Hello all. I have been building something called self-memory for about 6 months. If you are using ChatGPT and you are saying about yourself and you have your own custom preferences, ChatGPT remembers it. But if you go to Claude, right, it forgets. You again needs to feed it again. So Gemini also the same. How would it look like if you have a common memory layer at the bottom? On top of it, each and every agent can be placed, or if you are building an agent, you can place your own agent also. So end of the day, all of the agents share a same memory layer across each other. For example, if I am brainstorming a project in Claude Desktop, right? So the next information, if I start discussing with Claude Desktop, right? So that memory will be added. Now, if we see how we can retrieve this somewhere else, if I'm using kilocode, why does the AutoGen project using 30 seconds? Then it searches the chunk over there and it retrieves. After retrieving all the reasons, now it gives the reason why it is being chunky. So if a person is onboarding, or if you want to have a project context in the same place, right? Like many people can come into the project, go out of the project, but you want to manage one memory. So if tomorrow somebody comes out and asks why is this particular tech stack is being called, so all those things we can manage memory in one place. If you open selfmemory.com, you can see the website over here. You can just get started. Once you sign in, you will be seeing all the memories over here, the project information what we gave here, right? Like what is the audio gen features, why we are reason for chunking, all those memories being part by part added. Here itself you can see a chatbot, you can ask the same question and it will try to retrieve the memories. Then you can also search memories. If you are building your own project, you can do pip install self memory and you can add API keys over here. Then you can install through SSC connection. If you want, you can just click on here, you will create an API key and you can add it in cursor Claude Desktop client, wherever you want. Or if you're using Claude Pro or ChatGPT Pro with the auth 2.0, you can just add mcp.selfmemory.com/mcp, just this URL. So this product is completely free and open source. What I really need right now is feedback. If you hate it also, or if you are facing some troubles, please let me know so that I can improve. Thank you.